Hey everyone, this is Zelda from TNZ RV Life, and today is Vlogmas Day 24. And yes, I am doing laundry. Tony is at home with the grandbaby, and he's frying up some more chicken, and I have been craving spaghetti. So actually, I have to run over to Walmart here and get me some tomatoes because I just want pasta with the marinara sauce, tomato sauce. I don't want the meat in it. He did buy a pack of meat, and I'm gonna let them make burgers with it. But I want just marinara sauce, just something very simple and tasty. But we are close, and I'm so excited that I made it. We made it 25 almost days before Christmas. I really hope that all of your shopping is done if that is what you do. We did our shopping early, but the main thing is it is about Christ, the birth of Christ, and the gift that was given to us through the Son, Jesus Christ. So I really hope that you remember that as you go about your day and remember Christ. I am going to head back in here and finish up the laundry. So God bless you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.